Today's wig comes from RPGSHOW. We're going to install this wig and I'm going to show you guys everything. It's unboxed. I'm going to show you guys everything that come in here. They give you some goodies. They also put in here that you get a wig cap, an edge band, and you also get a storage bag so that you can store your wig. If you take it off at night, you'll be able to take it off and store it in this bag somewhere to keep it from getting dusty. This is what their new cap construction look like. So this is their 2.0 cap, and this cap is made to fit the head perfectly without having that extra lace that kind of sticks up at the front. So it's made so that the cap can fit very flat against the forehead. This cap does also come with other benefits, like comes in sizes small, medium, or large. You can get it made to fit your head, and of course the lace is very thin. It is tinted lace, and as you can see by the picture, it shows you a demo on what the other wigs would look like when you go to wear the Glueless compared to the new 2.0 cap. So I'm going to go ahead and try it on for you guys, and we're going to test it with and without glue to see how the forehead lay. This is the wig itself. This is what the cap construction look like. As you can see, you get a really good amount of parting space. This wig comes already with bleached knots. It comes with combs in there so that you can secure the wig, and also an adjustable strap so you can wear it glueless. The lace on the forehead is laying very flat. It's not sticking up, and this will keep your lace from rippling. You can lay flat against your forehead, because a lot of times what happens is we get these wigs, and when we go to put them on, the lace lifts. I know you all know what I'm talking about. It's like a really awkwardness right here where it don't lay right, and so when you go to glue it down, especially for my ladies with small heads, you find that this area kind of bulges up. So as you can see, the fit is flat, very, very flat up against that forehead, so you won't get that. And so of course with that, you can also wear the wig glueless. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the lace, push the hairline back, and show you all how flat this lays without any glue. For me personally, I'm most likely gonna glue it down because I am going on a trip. Definitely check out my previous video if you want to see how I'm gonna glue my wig down. I just put that up earlier this week. Let's get into it. So this is what the lace look like. As you can see, that lace is very good up against the skin. You can't barely see it. And this wig do come in cap size options, so if you want your wig in a medium, small, or large, you definitely can get it that way. There are plenty of options on the website for customization for this, including changing the hair color if you would like to. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the lace around the ear so they can fall behind the ear the way it's supposed to. Now this will vary depending on your head size, so if your head size is smaller or bigger, sometimes you'll have extra lace area right here at the ear, but for the most part, I just usually just go like this and remove it. Very simple. Oh, I can't even see the lace. It's so invisible. Hold on, let me pull this forward some more. Okay. So I'm gonna cut this back to the hairline. I might leave a little bit of lace. I kind of want to, where are my shears? I'm gonna use these scissors here to remove the extra lace, and we're gonna see if this forehead area still lays as flat as it needs to. If this work, y'all, I'm gonna be super excited, and I feel like everyone needs to upgrade their caps to this. And remember, this is their 2.0 cap. And it's supposed to solve the problem of the lace, it bulging at the forehead area once you remove it, because sometimes you remove it and then you can't wear it glueless because it sticks up. So this cap's supposed to solve that problem. All right, moment of truth. So this is what it looked like with no glue. Let me remove these clips right quick. If you were to wear it without any glue, this is what it would look like. This cap does its job. It's no bulkiness at that forehead area. It just lays flat. Yes, and it fits really well. Straps in the back, yeah, because like I said, I'm gonna glue this down, but I have the straps loosened in the back. They're not even tight, and it's still laying very flat. Look at that, y'all. Okay. Yeah, it's laying flat, y'all. It's laying flat, and yes, it's still glueless, as you can see, still glueless, but flat. So I'm gonna go ahead and style this wig, and I'll be back after I glue it down. Like I said, if you want to see how I glue it down, make sure to go check out my previous video. But yeah, it's definitely giving. It's giving. That's flat, honey. That's definitely flat. Okay, so I already added my glue, because now I'm going to go ahead and glue this down. And what I'm looking for right now with this cap is that it does not ripple on me. Just laying the lace down, and so far it's looking really, really good. Okay, I haven't pressed it yet, but this is what it's looking like so far. The lace is really nice. Now, like I said, if you want to know my install, definitely go check out my previous video. But if you want to know the glue right now, I use the My Sticky Little Secret lace glue for this install. And if you want details on how I applied it, make sure you check out that previous video. And I'm also going to put the removal of this on my Instagram. So check out my Instagram if you want to know how to remove it. And pin this up, and we're going to tie down this hairline. Now, when I do glue installs that I want to last, I let my hairline stay tied down for at least an hour. Longer if I can. So I will probably see you all tomorrow, because yeah, I'm going to let this sit for a while. But this is what it looks like when you glue it down. The lace look good. Everything looks amazing. I waited, like, it just looks really, really good. All right, so I'm going to take my edge band, tie this down, and then I will see you all back.
Dream last night, did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is on a roof.